Alright guys, so in today's video, we are going to talk about Metaderby, a play to earn game that you can play in Avalanche network. And also, if you haven't subscribed in our channel, do not forget to subscribe. Again, this is Crypto Addict here, back again with new contents every day for you guys. And of course, let's just jump right into it. Okay, so when you go into this platform, you'll be able to you'll be able to play this game for free if you wanted to, because there is a free horse that they are giving. So what you just need to do here is just connect your Metamask wallet. So of course, do not forget to click it, connect your Metamask wallet, and then connect this, and you're just going to follow them on Twitter. You're just going to join the Metaderby Discord server. You just need to enter your email address, and then after that, you'll be able to get your starter horse. And this is just very simple. I will be putting the link into the description box below so that you'll be able to just go directly into the link, connect your MetaMask, and start playing this game. Okay, so it is on the free horse section. Again, just click this get horse and you'll be automatically putted into the link that I've been shown to you a while ago, or like the tab of that, or like the page of it. So there's a lot of things going on in here. They have this is the free to play version. So in here, let's try to play. Actually, you're going to get as well a hoof token so that you'll be able to try out this game already. So you can see here, after completing 50 races, you can now use your starter horse as a coupon, and that's 10% off on one mystery box purchases. So just in case you actually want to go inside Metaderby, this is like a discount coupon that you can use so that you will just pay a much more cheaper price for this one. Okay, so let's try to race actually, because I'm kind of like want to experience this, because in here, if you win the race, actually if you just got top, you'll be able to get rewards, tokens, right? That's basically what you can get. But of course, if you lose, okay, the NFT that you have will be burned. Yep, it will be burned. So that's the burning mechanism that they have. So of course, if you win, you will get a really big rewards on this one. But of course, let's try to play this already. So there's 120 hoof in here. So all of you guys are contributing 10 hoof. Okay, so in my case, there's a legendary here. There's also an elite, but of course, it's still based on how this the gate, or like it will actually perform. So this is the gate one. Okay, so it's just showcasing every single horses. Okay, I'm actually trying to find my horse in here. So you can see all of the acceleration, the statistics on the left side of the screen. Okay, so let's just continue in here. We're just still doing awesome in here, guys. So I really do not know what's my name, but I'll just figure out it probably later on. So we are currently live. Okay, so let's see who's going to win. Maybe I'm not going to skip it this time because I just want to see it. Okay, so here we go. Okay, so go. Okay, so I'm the one that has like a contract address, wallet address. So I'm in the 10th place. Okay, so I'm not sure what's going to happen. We still have 1,000 meters going on. I hope we can just catch up. Once we got that first to third slot, we are going to get a reward. Okay, so actually this is really awesome because this is a 3D version. You can be able to see all of the horses in here. Actually, you guys, every single horse that is involved here, especially at this round, looks like the same. Okay, so come on, we still have 500 meters. We can win this one. 120 hoot. Let's go. Okay, let's go. So oh my god, we just reached top 8. Yeah, of course. So Currently, we are at the place of Kolkata National Derby Mountain Free. So this is the name of it. Oh God, we are on the ninth place. Oh, we are on the 11th one. Oh my God, we lost on this one. Oh no, we're 12. Oh no, that's really sad, man. That's really sad. Anyway, doesn't matter because we still have 10 hoof. Let's try. Let's try to make a win, and yeah, let's try to win this one. And as you can see here, if you're the first, you're going to get rewards on hoop. And yeah, I didn't get any any hoop reward here, so you just lost 10 hoop in this one. But I'm not going to like give up in here, man. I'm going to try to play another one, and we still have one more. Okay, so you can buy hoop on Trader Joe. So this is how you do it, guys. So um, how much is 10 hoop? We'll find it out here. Okay, so one hoop is just 0.1 USDT. So in here, there's 50 times that you'll be able to play this horse that you have. So that's like if let's say you're going to play 49 times in here, that's just $7 for the free to play. Okay, and let's just jump right into it. I mean, let's try if we can win. And the good thing here is that there's no gas fee, right? There's no gas fee in here. So technically it is really awesome, guys. So let's wait and see what's going to happen. So yep, let's just wait and see. And hold on, we are in here. I hope we won this time. We are on the gate 11 again. There's not much legendary here. There's few people are in pacer, the few people are rare. So it actually kind of like an RNG to me as well. But let's see, okay? So this one, we are in the Singapore Gold Cup free race. Okay, so we're just going to skip this one out because technically we do not need those. So let's try to do this one. Okay, so we are on the first. Okay, we are first. Okay, let's try to win this. Let's take this hoof, baby. Let's go. Okay. Oh, we got on second, but it's okay. As long as we are in the first to third, we are going to get a freaking rewards on this one. Okay, so come on, let's do this, bro. Let's do this, man. So oh no, oh no, this is not good. This is not good. Oh no, this is not good. This is not good, man. Oh my God, dude. So this is 9. Oh no. Oh no, what happened, man? Oh man. I guess this is a series of like losses. I mean, but we still have 300 meters left in here. So let's try. I mean, let's catch up, man. Let's catch up, man. 8th place. 8th place. Still have. Oh no. Oh. Okay. Okay. Oh. We lost again. I mean, come on, guys. Come on. So of course, if you're going to play this game, it's not always like a sure win. Whether you get a legendary, whether you get a rare, it's not a sure win on this in this game. Okay, so you see, I got a legendary, but I still lost. So it's still like an odd base for me. So he won like a 33 hoof. Oh my God, I actually want to buy more hoof in here, but of course maybe I'll save it in the next video. And let's just go back in here. Okay, how much is Metaderby? Okay, how much is it? So you can buy legendary box for 9,600 hoof. So I think that's a guaranteed legendary, and also this is like a limited edition. So let's try to figure out how much is the legendary. So that's just $137. Not bad, because if you're going to compare other games like maybe Crypto Legions, that's going to be around $300, $400, $500. So here it's just $137, and definitely this is already a rare asset. So also you can be able to swap your assets directly into the wallet in here. So I'm just going to click this button. Of course, I'm going to show more of this in the latter run. So you can also watch some raises in here. So there's also a dead raise in here. So I think this get dead raise is where you'll be able to to um, see if oh, we're not in here, I guess. Yep, I think we're not in here. That's very unlikely that we are in here, right? Anyway, so let's just go back. Let's just go back, okay? So, this is like the every races that you can enter. So these are like the prize amounts. These are the results. Okay, this is the open race. There's the death race. But of course, I think in that race you'll be able to get much more. But of course, if you lost, you are going to burn your assets. So if you are a risk taker, you can do that. But of course, I'm just going to leave it up to you. And as well, you can buy this. Let's say you can buy some horses directly into this section. So this is like the marketplace. So you can sort it by, let's say, whether what is the gender, what is the acceleration, maybe it is legendary and stuff. So you can see that some meta derbies here are like 7,000 dby. So why not, you can be able to buy this one. But of course, this is 7,000, others are 12,000. It actually differs. um, some of it are like 8,900. So you can try to find what do you want. But of course, a legendary box price and the horse price of legendary in the marketplace are not that far from the current price, right? So yeah, I mean, this is for meta derby. So you can see here, it's really awesome, guys. They do have this, like there's even a setting section that you'll be able to edit everything from your name and stuff. So actually you can edit the name in here. So but you just need to spend 100 hoof. So 100 hoof is how much? It's just really what do you call that, not that expensive, okay? And this will be burned too. So just imagine you're going to get the name that you want, and also you are helping the economy because it is burned. Okay, so that's everything that I know about meta derby right now. Again, guys, do not forget to get your free horses in here. Okay, of course, for the staking, there's more to come into this one. Okay, and they do have a Twitter. So this is the Twitter, so you'll be able to follow them if you're going to get an asset. Okay, free, what do you call that, a free horse. Automatically you'll be able to join these three socials. And take your time to watch, or just rather read this white paper, so that you'll be able to grasp what is inside the game. But of course, the vision and mission of this one is, this is a free-to-play metaverse that is also enjoyable, and on the side you can also win prizes. So there's a lot of things going on in here. There's a breeding, you can also buy your own land, and also building on lands so that you can breed unique horses or even host races. So technically you are building inside meta derby. So this is a metaverse, really exciting for me, guys. So if you're going to see the token distribution as well too, you can clearly see that this is typically the best percentage that can be even like divided into. So they do have these roadmaps. Just make sure to be updated, because there's a lot of things that are going on in here. This is not yet finished. All of this are not yet finished yet. There's still much more to come soon, like the mobile game, like the liquidity mining, and also like the referral program. Also, the breeding will be on September, and also like the land development will be on the Q4 of 2022. So there's a lot of things going on in Metaderby. So you just choose what you want to. So like maybe Apin, but of course, maybe you can count Metaderby as one of the play to earn games that you should actually look on if you are trying to put some baskets while it is still in bear market. So yeah, again, this is Metaderby. We're going to discuss more about this project in the next few days to come. So of course, do not forget to subscribe in our channel. Again, this is Crypto Addict here, back again with new contents every single day, and see you on the next video, guys. God bless.